Yeah.
Firstly, a huge congratulations to all of you. It feels really, it's a proud moment for me and for the mentors, for our students to be here and to successfully complete the course, especially with the backgrounds that they come from. They come from various backgrounds, that, not just their hospitality, but where they don't even have knowledge about a professional kitchen.
Right.
So it feels weird, but then it's already been 6 months, and looking at each one of them to how they've grown, not only in their skills, but how they carry themselves today,
Absolutely.
is very professional, and it feels really great to see that.
True.
Yeah.
So I will just have one question from each student, and if you could just hand over the mic, please, to yeah, we start from Aditya. So Aditya, I know you're already from hospitality industry, and how did you choose this? And tell us your experience, about IIPC doing this course with us, and what is your future plan?
So, greetings everybody. My name is Aditya. I've worked previously in the hospitality industry, and like I said earlier, I joined this course only because I felt the dessert side of my culinary experience was not finely polished, but it has been a very good decision to come here and polish my skills. Not only polish, but learn a lot. And I've been guided really, really well. Have good mentors, very patient, and I've learned a lot as a person, as a chef, and as a human being as well. And as for my future plans, I plan to go to France, sharpen my skills there, and hopefully work for a couple years there, and we'll see from there on. But the end goal is to open my own bakery one fine day.
Wow,
But
that's interesting to know. And will you feel that okay, I've got more than what I needed here from IIPC? Do you
yeah,
think like that?
frankly speaking, 6 months went by in a flash. I felt I learned a lot, and the guidance has been immaculate. Techniques have been sharpened, new techniques have been learned, and I learned a lot. Like 6 months, I didn't know that I could learn so much, but as I said earlier, it's been such a wonderful ride. I feel I've become a better chef, but now to put my hand to the test.
Great. I think the credit goes to your dedication as well as Mayank chef expertise. So could you please pass the mic to Miss Tanvi?
Thank you.
So you tell us your experience and what is your future for plan for future.
Hello everyone, my name is Thanvi, and my experience at IIPC has been really changing as a person and my industry as well. I was working in corporate before when I decided to join this course, and I joined as a complete beginner. I remember my first week asking chef how to use a chef's knife. So from there to completing this diploma course and learning so many new things you wouldn't think that you can do. So it has been really great. And my future plans as of now, I will be interning in Pune itself, and then yeah, same as he mentioned, opening my bakery one day.
Fantastic. All the very best. But knowing you, you not being from this industry, I never thought, to be honest, because I don't know whether you will also agree or no. She's been always treating this course as if she had a little background. Or were you baking at home or something like
No,
that?
chef,
No, this is your
first time.
first
Yeah,
experience. All the
thank
best.
you.
In fact, sorry to intrude, a person like her, when she entered, she mentioned to me that I have never entered a kitchen in my life.
Why?
Yeah, and I mean, us as mentors, of course, we can expect people having zero knowledge, but then the way she improved and the way she performed even till her exam was fabulous.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, I could also see that. All the very best. We have here lovely Deborah. So, Deborah, come on. You tell us what is your experience and what is your plan for future.
Hello everyone, my name is Deborah, and uh, here in IIBC Pune, I came to learn not only bakery and pastry skills, but also disciplines, patience, and teamwork. And also, I gain a lot of confidence. uh, this helps me grow professionally and personally as well. And has given me a good foundation for my future, I would say. And for my future plans, I'm planning to do intern in Thane,
Oh.
Mumbai, and after that, working for 2 3 years, I'm planning to open a bakery for my own.
Oh wow! All of them are going to be entrepreneurs. All the very best, and we always admire your, fine skills in your finishing. I think you would also
Yes. I
agree.
completely
Chef.
agree with that.
Yeah.
She's very patient with what she
Very
does.
patient, yeah. And in I think in cooking we always say in hot kitchen you should be quick, and in baking and bakery you have to have lots of, especially in pastry, you have to have lot of patience. Yes, Tanishka. So you tell us. You know the question, right?
Yeah. So I I came here to learn and polish my skills, and I was very unconfident about those things that I will do or not. But I'm so confident now, and I'm just happy to work with Chef Mayank and all of my friends. So I'm doing intern in Pune only,
Okay, in
and
Pune.
I want to be a good
Pastry chef.
pastry chef, and I want to open my own bakery.
Own bakery. This is the fourth one. Wow, all the very best. All
I
the
hope
very
you
best.
hire us someday.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. You hire us and you invite us also. Please give the phone to Rajveer. Mr. Rajveer.
Hello,
Come on, you. I think he must be the youngest in our team.
Yes,
So, have you finished your, school,
Undergrad.
undergrad? No,
No,
not yet. You finished already. Okay, so what is your plan and your
First
experience?
of all, it was a great experience for me to work with Chef Mayank and all the students, and I learned a lot. And my future plans are own a bakery.
On a bakery. So all of
Oh,
them,
sorry.
all our 5 students, viewers are going to.
Open
So lots
my
of
own
job
bakery.
opportunities in Pune. All of you are planning to open in Pune, open a cafe in Pune. Okay.
there'll be a lot of competition otherwise, just in
Yeah.
one city.
So okay, it
Healthy
was,
competition.
yes, absolutely. It was lovely talking to all of you. Know your views, know your future plan, and wherever you go, whatever you will be in future, just remember you have to always stick to one thing. If you have started this, you better finish it till end. Don't leave it midway. Okay, that's the secret of being successful. And we wish you all the best. Don't forget us. And yeah, I any more thing you
Yeah,
would
just
like
to add
add?
on, sorry, just to add on, since you all are beginning this journey in the industry as professionals, remember life is not easy. You will face a lot of challenges. There are going to be tough days where you would feel that you want to quit, but just keep that in mind. Consistency is key. All right.
Absolutely.
So one day you'll reach your goals, and I'm very sure that you'll be proud of yourself. Yeah. And always remember that opportunity meets preparation. So if you're prepared, opportunities just come to you by
So well
themselves.
said.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So all the very best, and